Agedashi tofu is a must-try Japanese tofu recipe. Crispy on the outside and soft inside, this quick and easy dish features deep-fried tofu in a rich dashi-based sauce. Whether you are vegan, vegetarian, or just exploring Asian cooking, this tofu dish is incredibly tasty. Before we start, click the subscribe button below and don't forget to like and share. Now let's get started. First, we have all the ingredients ready. You can use silken, soft, or medium firm tofu depending on your preference. The medium firm is easier to handle compared to the silken tofu, and this house food brand medium firm tofu is pretty good. First, we will make the sauce. Boil 3 cups water. Add 1/2 teaspoon dashi, 1/4 cup low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup mirin, and 1/8 cup sake, and stir. For the tofu, traditionally we just use potato starch to coat the tofu, but I like to use a little bit of rice flour to add crispiness to the recipe. Open the tofu, drain the liquid, and flip onto your cutting board. Cut the tofu into cubes about 1/2 inch and dip into a combination of 1/2 cup potato starch and 1 tablespoon rice flour, making sure to cover all sides. Heat up oil in the pan and fry the tofu until they are crispy on all sides. Drain on paper towel. To serve, I pour the warm sauce in a bowl, add the tofu, add the green onion, and the bonito flakes. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.